This is the Loan Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to study company fundamentals step by step. Understanding a company's core, financial health, is crucial for any investor looking to make sound decisions. We will explore the essential components that reveal a business's true value, moving beyond simple stock price fluctuations. This systematic approach helps you assess long-term potential and mitigate risks, providing a solid foundation for your investment strategy. First, we dive into the three core financial statements. The income statement, often called the profit and loss statement, details a company's financial performance over a quarter or year, showing revenues and expenses. Next, the balance sheet offers a snapshot of assets, liabilities, and owner's equity at a specific moment. Finally, the cash flow statement reveals how cash is generated and used across operating, investing, and financing activities, providing a clear picture of liquidity. Next, we analyze key financial ratios, which offer deeper insights into a company's health. Profitability ratios, like the net profit margin, show how much profit a company makes from its sales. Liquidity ratios, such as the current ratio, assess its ability to meet short-term obligations. Solvency ratios, like debt to equity, indicate long-term financial stability. These numerical tools help you compare companies and identify strengths or weaknesses quickly. Finally, consider crucial qualitative factors and valuation. Assess the management team's experience and integrity, the industry's growth prospects, and any sustainable competitive advantages a company possesses. Factors like brand recognition, patents, and customer loyalty are invaluable, though not always on the balance sheet. Combining these insights with valuation techniques, such as discounted cash flow analysis, helps you estimate a company's true intrinsic value, leading to more informed investment choices.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.